Jollibee. Kaya kids and guardians, sabay-sabay tayo bibilang ng 1 to 5. Ready? Let's count! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Palakpakan natin and please welcome Jollibee! Okay, dadaloy po sa Japan. Alright, and photo opportunity po for them. Alright.
Andyan pala.